Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO Mixing Page channel. This channel is mainly catering for the artist and creative entrepreneur. Well, in today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about one secret way in which you can make more passive income online. And that secret way I haven't touched in any of my YouTube videos so far on this YouTube channel. In fact, I haven't touched in any of my YouTube videos so far. So I'm going to talk about that specific method, and that specific method I have recently came across, and I'm also utilizing it, and I'm also making passive income online each month by using that method. So I'm going to talk about that method guys. And before moving on to the good part of making money online, I would really appreciate that if you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to make more money online and if you want more content from my YouTube channel guys. Now that one secret method, I'm going to just go straight to the point without me talking and rambling here and there, because I often talk a lot in my YouTube videos. So I'm going to talk about one, that specific method is selling audiobooks online. Now this is just not a straightforward answer to that. Selling audiobooks online, okay, you're going to make a passive income online, but how are you going to go for it? How are you going to do it? So I'm going to talk about that thing only, how you're going to do it guys. Now before that, now you would be thinking that what exactly this YouTube channel is for. Like one day she's talking about the Creative Fabrica, another day she's talking about the print on demand, the Redbubble and other print on demand websites. Another day she's talking about the Amazon KDP, then another she's talking about the Adobe stock, another she's talking about the digital product, digital magazine, and then she's talking about art selling website. So what this YouTube channel is all about? Should I need to subscribe to it or not? Is this channel is for me or not? No, you would be thinking about it. Now guys, let me answer this exact question for you, because it's really important for me to convey why I talk about various different things on this YouTube channel guys. I talk about all these things because I am making money by using these methods online as being an artist, a designer and creative entrepreneur, and also as a business owner of my own digital magazine. I am making money online by utilizing all these methods so far in my online journey. So that's why I'm talking about all these things. And you yourself being an artist, a creative entrepreneur, I want to tell you that you can make money online by various different ways, as being an artist, as being a designer, as being a creative entrepreneur. So I'm touching across all these methods that are there on the online space that you can utilize it, because I am utilizing for making money online monthly by these methods. So you can also do that. That's why I talk various different methods in this YouTube channel, because it's depending on my own personal experience guys. That's why I'm talking about it. So I'm going to talk about specifically in this YouTube video on this YouTube channel is one about the print on demand, the second about the art selling websites. It could be a physical way or it could be digital way like the Creative Fabrica, the Creative Market. The third, I would be talking about the Amazon KDP. It could be no content, low content, high content book. And then I would be talking about how to make money online by selling digital product, because I am also selling the digital product online and I am also making money via that. So that's a digital magazine, or it could be a checklist, spreadsheet, whatever format you want to go for it. Then another thing I'm going to talk about is the audiobooks. Now this is the new way, because I have recently came across, and I think it's really helpful for you guys as well if I'm going to convey it the way I am doing it, so maybe it can help you. And that's it. So that my YouTube channel is for what and what I'm going to talk about on this YouTube channel, so that you would be able to decide whether you need to subscribe for it or not. Now guys, I'm going to tell you, if you are an artist, if you are a creative entrepreneur, then do subscribe to it, because the videos that I'm going to upload on this channel will really going to help you a lot to start making your own online passive income, or to start making your online money from this online game. Okay guys, now let's move on to the main thing. Now I've already talked about that the one secret way is the audiobook. Now how are you gonna make money by selling an audiobook? Now you would be thinking, I don't know how to write a book. In fact, I don't know how to narrate a book, how to record my voice, or how to pay someone else for narrating my book. I really don't know how to go for it, and what are the things and all those things. Now guys, let me tell you, I'm gonna simplify for you guys, because I know that I am also not a writer, I'm also not an author or anything like that. I also started from scratch. So I'm going to tell you the method that I basically do to make passive income online by selling the audiobooks. Now, first of all, guys, you don't need to be author, you don't need to be a writer, you don't need to be a narrator for making or selling audiobooks online. Okay. So there are the various ways in which you can make and sell audiobooks. Now, for making an audiobook, if you have a high content book, or if you are writing book, Now, writing a book is often a big task for someone who is starting from scratch, someone who don't know what to write. But I want to tell you guys, everyone, we and you, everyone has some experience in their life. Like if you are in online space, if you are making money online, or if you have any sort of experience in your life, and everyone has any sort of experience, it can be related to your school, your college, your workspace, your personal life, your relationship, your health life, your spiritual life, your financial life, anything related to the experience that you have, you can combine it in the form of book, guys. That's the thing that I do, that I combine my knowledge, my experience so far with my own journey so far. I combine those experiences in the form of book. That if you have an experience in any sort of the things, like if you are a college person or a school person, you have the experience on how to proceed with your college or student homework, or how to focus on the studies, or how to gain good marks in your college or school. Like you have some sort of experience. If you are in a relationship and your relationship is successful, or like you are in a long distance relationship, or 2 years, 3 years, whatever the relationship look like, so you have an experience of that. If you are in a marriage and you have a successful marriage, then you have an experience for that. Even if you are someone who is having a fit body, who is like exercising, keto body and ketogenic and diets or vegan, whatever experience you have, guys, you can combine all that experience into form of an audiobook. Now, to proceed with the audiobook, there are the many ways in which you can sell your audiobook. Now, first come the starting point for audiobook is to picking up a niche. Now, picking up a niche, guys, one of the best method to pick up whatever type of book you're going to publish, you can just go onto the Amazon itself and look for the various different options for the audiobooks out there. That there is the book related in the diet, relationship, business, finances, motivational, then meditational, then various different types of online business ideas. Like there is book for every niche ideas that you can think of. So you can literally go onto the Amazon itself and you can check for anything, like for any niche or any interest or hobby you have for yourself, and see what books are there for particular niche, for particular topic, and so on. So that's the one way to picking up a niche. Another method to picking up a niche, guys, is picking up from your interest and hobbies. If you have one particular interest or hobby and you have an experience in that, then go for it. It can be an audiobook, guys. So this is the way to picking up a niche. So you have picked up the niche by doing your research onto the Amazon. You can go on the Amazon and search for that particular keyword, search for that particular hobby or interest, and you're going to see there are various different books related to that niche. There are paperbacks, the ebooks, and the audiobooks, and you can see and go through their content, read the description, and even in fact just go through the little bit of the reviews, because reviews will going to tell you what that book exactly, whether that book is actually good or not, and all that. You can do that, your research, and picked up a niche. The second thing, after picking up the niche, the next thing comes is the format of the book. Now, obviously, we are going for the audiobook, so we need the format of the book in the form for the audiobook, guys. But I want to tell you that, do you want your book to be as an ebook as well, as a paperback as well, as an audiobook as well? Do you want all the three formats for your book, or two format, or just an audiobook? It depends on you, guys. If you want your book to be as an ebook as well, is it in the form of paperback as well, is it in the form of audiobook as well, then go for it. But if you just want your book to be as an audiobook, you just want to record your voice, or you just want someone else to narrate your book, then go for it. It's depend on you, guys. It depends on your own personal choice, whatever one you want to go for it. The first thing, picking up the niche. The second is deciding the format. Now third come the content, guys. Now content, you need to decide for it. Now I can't give you exactly content what you're gonna say in your audiobooks, or what are you gonna type in your ebook or paperback, whatever it is. So you need to decide the content, and for the content you can take an idea what are the books are actually there right now on the Amazon. You can check for their like you can check for the Kindle version as well, you can check for the paperback as well, and you can get an idea of what exactly that book looks like for related to that particular niche or that particular topic, how many pages are there, what are the content style they have. So you can get an idea, and then you can decide and start making the content for your book. So we have picked the niche, we have picked the format, we know what the content of our book look like, and we have decided what we're gonna put in our book. Now comes the part of actually making the book, guys. Now for actually making the book, if you want to narrate your book yourself, like you want your book to be in your own voice, then you need to narrate it, guys. But if you don't want to do it, if you want to hire a narrator, then you can go on and like hire the narrator on the various different platforms, like on the ACS as well, on the Find Away Voices as well, on the Authors Republic. You can literally go on these websites and you can hire a narrator. You can hire someone so that they're gonna narrate your book on your behalf, and they're gonna record their voice and record your audiobook on your behalf. So that's the one method. Either you want to record your own voice, or either you want someone else to record for you. So it depends on you, guys. There are many ways in which you can go by it and all that. If you are convenient in recording your own voice, then obviously record your own voice, because it's much better, because when someone is actually listening to your audiobook, it feels more connected to that person, because that person had written the book and that also narrating the book. So it's like feel more connected to it. But yeah, again guys, it's depend on your own preference, choice, whatever way you want to go for it. I can't say for you, so you need to decide for yourself. Now, after making the book, after recording the book, and after editing and all this, now come the selling of the book. Now, there are the many ways in which you can sell your book. One of the most common ways to sell your audiobook is the Amazon, that's the ACX. For the ACX, you need to sign up on the ACX, and then you need to publish your book onto it, and you need to fulfill all the criteria for the audiobook that they have on their platform, guys. Another method in which you can go for selling the audiobook is by utilizing the distributors. Now, distributors are really amazing, guys. I want to tell you, because these distributors will going to deliver your audiobook to various retailers out there, to various marketplaces out there on your behalf, and you just need to put your audiobook on that distributor website, and then they're gonna distribute your audiobook to various different retailers, various different marketplaces out there in the online space. Now, there are many distributors who gonna distribute your book on your behalf to various different retailers, various different marketplaces out there. So there are the few distributors like Find Away Voices, Authors Republic, and also there are many more distributors in the space that you just need to upload your audiobook on their website, and then they're gonna distribute on your behalf. And whether they're gonna take a cut from you, like per book you sold, they're gonna take a commission from that book, or for some they have the membership plan as well, like you need to pay them for distributing your book to the different marketplaces, different retailers out there. Now guys, I personally use the Find Away Voices. It's just free to get started with that. Obviously they take a commission per book you sell on these marketplaces, on these retailers, because they are doing the free service of distributing your distributing your audiobook to various different retailers and various different marketplaces out there. So they take a cut per book you sell on their via their platform. They are taking a cut because they are doing it for free. They don't have a membership plan or anything like that. You just need to upload a book on their on their website, and then they gonna distribute it for free to the various different platform, various different retailers and marketplaces out there. So I find this Find Away Voices really amazing, because they are distributing it to so many platforms out there. I don't need to go on this single platform and put my audiobook on each and every platform out there. So I think that distributor is really amazing if you are going for the audiobook, although some people actually go for the Amazon ACX as well. Now for the ACX, you can go for the exclusivity or non-exclusivity. Like if you're going for the exclusive for ACX, then you would be getting much higher commission. But if you're going for the non-exclusive, then you would be getting less commission, because now you can publish your audiobook on ACX as well, and you can publish that same audiobook on other distributor as well. So it depends on you. There are many ways to go by it. Now, this is the thing, you have decided the niche, you have picked up the format, you have your content, you have made the book, and now these are the distributor, guys. Now one thing I want to tell you, if you are the one who are recording your own voice, and if you are narrating your own book, then you need to have a few of the requirements to settle for, because for each and every distributor, for the Amazon ACX as well, they have their requirements for per audiobook that you upload on their website. You need to fill that criteria, you need to edit your audiobook in that way only, you need to record your audiobook in that way only to fill their criteria. Then they're gonna publish your book, or then they're gonna distribute their book to the different marketplaces. So keep that thing in mind while you're using these platforms. But guys, I'm making money via the audiobook is really amazing way, because there is not big competition out there right now, because not many people are making these audiobooks and selling these audiobooks on the Amazon ACX or via using these distributor platforms. Not many people are doing it because it takes some time, because you need to write a book, you need to narrate a book, and then you need to go with all these proceedings. So not many people are doing it. The competition is not that huge right now, and you can utilize it. If you are doing it right now, you can utilize it, and you can see that each month you are making money online by selling your audiobooks. Now, it's in really amazing way. There is not big competition. Even if you go for the low content book on Amazon or high content book on Amazon, there is a competition, guys. There is a competition because many people are going for the low and no content book, because barrier of entry is quite low. For the high book, obviously you need to write a book, so not many people are doing it. But for the audiobook, the barrier of entry is a little bit more high, so not many people are doing it, guys. But if you can get started with it right now, and you can learn more about it and do it all the things right way they want you to, because they have the submission criteria. So if you go and do all those things, then you are setting up yourself for making more passive income online by selling these audiobooks. Guys, that where the barrier of entry is low, then many people would going to come onto that platform and start selling or start utilizing that platform for making more money online. It could be print on demand, it could be Amazon KDP, Creative Fabric, or any website out there. If they have the barrier of entry is quite low, then many people would be there and there would be huge competition and all that. But if the barrier of entry is a little bit high, or maybe advanced level, then not many people are there for actually utilizing that platform, actually selling on that platform. So if you really get a chance to pass that barrier of high entry and go into that platform and start utilizing it, then you are the one who gonna have more passive income online, because you don't need to compete with many competitors on that platform, because since the barrier of entry is high, not many people can utilize it, and you are utilizing it, so it's beneficial for you guys. So that's why I talk about so many things on this YouTube channel. So depending on whatever stage you are right now in your life, you can utilize these methods, and you can in the comment section below if you want more videos talking about how to make these audiobooks, which are the software to use, what are the equipments you need to purchase or you need to go for actually recording your audiobook, and is it possible to do it by yourself. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. I'm gonna make more such videos talking about the audiobooks, how to record it, how to actually use the software, which are the things that you need to recording your own audiobook, to publishing it, to start making money online. What are the things are there? I'm gonna make more such videos, guys. But let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, so that I'm gonna proceed more in my future upcoming videos talking about the equipments, talking about the softwares and how you can do it, and simplifying for you guys. Because for me, my main purpose on this YouTube channel is to simplify the ways in which you can make passive income online, so that even if you are a complete beginner and you don't even have much of the knowledge, you can get started with that. So that's my main purpose, for me to simplify all those things so that it is beneficial for you guys. So I hope that this video is really helpful to you. From you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.